have deleted iMessages on your iPhone accidentally? Apeaksoft iPhone Data Recovery is a professional iPhone recovery software that tells you how to retrieve deleted messages on iPhone. Here we sincerely recommend the all-featured iPhone Messages Recovery to help you find back iMessages. You can free download it and have a try. Step 1. Run iPhone Data Recovery software. Connect your iPhone to it with a USB cable and choose the recovery mode of Recover from iOS device. Step 2. Scan iPhone data. When the scanning is finished, you can see all types of iOS files will be classified in categories on the left list. Step 3. Restore deleted iMessages. Click Messages on the left control, and you are allowed to preview the details of each existing or deleted iMessage. Select the iMessages you want to recover and click on Recover button to restore deleted iMessages to computer. Within just a few clicks, you can handily retrieve the deleted iPhone iMessages. Click Recover from iTunes Backup File. Choose one iTunes Backup Files where you want to recover iMessages with and hit Start Scan to enter the scanning process. The scanning process is very quick and you don't need to wait for much time. Step 3. Retrieve deleted iMessages from the iTunes Backup. Tick iMessages items, choose the iMessages you need and click Recover button in the lower right corner. Choose Recover from iCloud Backup File. Step 1. Sign into iCloud with your Apple ID and password. Select the certain iCloud backup file and then hit Download button on the right side. There will be the pop-up window to let you select file type. Tick Messages to move on. Wait a few seconds to complete the iCloud backup files downloading process. Step 4. Preview and recover iMessages. Check what you need and click Recover. The software is pretty simple to use as well.